Hello, it's me, your dear departed hovering skull. Welcome to my series where I sort of make a prototype of an early Pokemon battle system in Godot. It's not focused on beautiful visuals or an expansive overworld. It's mostly about setting up repeatable data patterns that you can use in lots of different kinds of games. It should be very applicable to any game that's highly data-driven, and a bit less so to any game that's more like physics-y. It's very GD script heavy too. We don't spend very much time in the editor. That's just my style. I really do not like drag and drop programming. We build customizable data-driven monsters and items using relationships between resources and data classes. We build componentized moves that can be configured for complex behaviors and animations using Godot resources. We build state machines to handle turn-based gameplay. We do some vaguely interesting things with signals. We also debug bugs. It's not a series where I copy my own perfect code out. We're prototyping, making mistakes, and getting our hands dirty and having a fun time. I try to explain things as I go rather than just have people copy what I do too. I'm really much more interested in showing you the why of doing things rather than just showing what code you can use to do them. This is my first large-scale series and I have been learning video production while I make it, so it starts a little rough and it's not for everyone. If you want glitz and glamour, there are other series for you probably, but if you like coding, it's probably fun. Some people like it, others don't. Maybe you will. I have finished producing the main part of the course, but I probably will revisit stuff in the future to use as a playground for refactoring techniques, improving architecture, and integrating with another component like an overworld. So check it out, I guess. Goodbye.